This is how to create a free audio spectrum. Step number 1, type in your search engine or browser device, Adobe After Effects, download. And as you can see here, you want to click on the Adobe website. Once the website has been opened up and loaded, you want to click on Start Free Trial, which is 7 days, or locate and drag on the audio piece. The next step is to click on the second or the first option right here, New Composition on the left-hand screen, and then click on OK. And still highlighted or selected, you want to drag your audio piece that you want to create. Go to the fourth option on the top right-hand screen over here, and then click on New Layer. Layer new, and then second option which says solid, and in this case you can mess around with this and then click on OK. The next step is you want to have your dark gray solid, which is still selected or highlighted. Go under the fifth option on the top left hand screen and click on effects. Scroll down until you see the option which says generate, and then click on the third option right here, audio spectrum. As you can see on the timeline, if we were to scroll, we don't have anything yet, so this has to be applied to a music or an audio piece under the effects control panel. And now with your dark gray solid still selected or highlighted, go under here to the first option on the audio layer, click the drop down arrow, click or select your music or audio piece. Now as you can see, you have successfully created a free audio spectrum completely for free.